Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the essentials, now start. Identify the correct cable, USB-C to Lightning for most models, or USB-C to USB-C if your iPhone supports native USB-C. Next, pick a USB-C adapter rated around 20W. Higher wattage is fine but unnecessary for basic charging. Once done, clear both the iPhone port and cable ends of lint. A small brush works. Plug the cable into the adapter first. This reduces wear on the phone, then get ready to connect to the Now connect deliberately. Plug the adapter into the outlet, then insert the USB-C plug into the adapter. Next, connect the phone end until it clicks or feels secure. You should see the charging icon and percentage increase within seconds. This confirms proper power delivery. If charging seems slow, make sure the outlet is live and inspect the cable for bends. Also enable low power mode or airplane mode to reduce background activity and allow faster top-up. Keep the phone positioned to avoid strain on the plug. Finish gently. Unplug the cable from the phone before removing the adapter from the wall to protect the port. If charging fails, try swapping the USB-C cable and adapter to isolate the fault. A working spare usually identifies the bad component. Make sure the phone shows no iOS warning about accessory compatibility. If the port has debris, power down and carefully clean with a dry, non-metallic tool. If problems persist, contact support or visit service. Do not force connectors into the port.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.